This is the elevator at 132 Newbury Street. Look at this. The modded vintage elevator. Look at these wooden doors. It's pretty cool. All right, let's open this. Yeah, so it only goes from 1 to 4. So let's go to 4. I love how it winds down like that. What's that? It says, wait, actually let me open the gate and see what it says. It says ABC, nice. This is also an ABC elevator. We'll do 2 more rides. Go to 4. Alright, let's end it down at 1. Safe cab view. I was sweating, these things are very small. This thing's a very cool elevator. I think this is a winding drum. The certificate, I don't think the certificate says much, but alright, that will be it.